Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here with a teen challenge that I'm doing, and it's a sketch challenge, and this is the sketch that I am going to be doing. Okay, so I am using a standard card blank. I'm using fresh fig, so this is A4 cut in half, scored in half, and then a mat for the outside and a mat for the inside. And I'm going to be layering up some squares. So I've got Night of Navy square here that's 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, and a fresh fig square 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, and then I've got a Whisper White one that's 2 by 2, and then just a couple of little strips of the Tranquil Textures DSP, a bit of twine, and I'm going to be using Night of Navy and fresh fig ink. Now, to do the circles, I am going to do some sponging and stenciling. So I've got some craft card here, and I'm going to use a 1 1/4 inch circle. So I'm just going to cut this out to create a stencil, and a 3/4 inch circle. There we go. And I am going to do my sponging first. I'm just going to protect this grid mat first. Okay, so I'm going to do the big circle first. That's my fresh fig. Night of Navy. Got to do a dark one on this corner. Like so. In the sketch they're actually touching, but I don't think they need to touch in this one. I'm going to keep the fresh fig out for my sentiment, and I'm going to make this customer thank you. So I'm going to do thanks there, make that up. Got a scrap that I cut. So got a scrap, Whisper White, gonna cut that out. Gonna put a little handle for myself, put it in there, judge it where I want it. There we go. Got my little sentiment. That will be popped up on dimensionals along there. Right, so let's stick this card together. I'm going to get some mini dimensionals for my sentiment. And I'm going to stick that across there like so. And now let's get the card layered up the way I want it. I'm going to look at the sketch again so that I can see how I want to do them. So I am going to layer Night of Navy first. And that's going to be sticking at an angle in that direction. And then we're going to put some fresh fig, and that's going to come down in this direction, about so. And then we're going to put our strips across. So that's going to go across. Get mine straight on the grid mat. That's going to go across about there. Stick a bit of that on so that this baker's twine can get stuck down. Will of course be held in place by the topper. Stick that there, and then that will go on top there. You could, yeah, I went wrong. You could always stick this up on dimensionals, but as I'm going to post it, I don't want 2 layers of dimensionals because that puts it up to the next postage cost. So now I'm going to stick that on top of here. And before, something that's not on the sketch, but I want to make the inside of the card a bit special, so I'm going to do some sponging on the inside, similar to what we did on the outside. So we'll do one at the bottom, one at the top, and then we find our other circle and my Night of Navy. And that gives us a nice little effect for the inside. And I could, of course, I might do it on the envelope as well, because that would be quite cool to do. So stick that on. Inside. So that's my little entry to the Team Card Sketch Challenge. Hope you like it. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. See you again soon. Bye bye.